that on this particular day, there will be a war and there will be this army approaching on 5th May or a 7th May or a 9th May, and this will happen. That yes, the situation, the planetary positions are not right, right? And those astrologers who are saying that there will be problems, there can be a war, there can be a war-like situation, they are correct. There will be a major impact on Pakistan, correct? That this is my guidance, that the time is turbulent, the time is problematic, and there can be situations. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? Are you relating to me what I'm saying? So during this time, if there are two countries that are fighting, the war will be very, very fast. Maybe all those launch pads of the militants will be destroyed quickly. Not getting into some civilian war or the nuclear practices that are happening, not like that. And the water restriction has only come because Saturn is restriction and Saturn has moved to the Pisces. Water. So वो water का मामला बीच में आ गया, right? Someone in the Pakistan had a big mouth and spoke and gave a speech like an old school guy that we are very different from a particular religion. We can do this, we can do that. And immediately Aquarius slapped that person. That you can't do that. You can speak, but you can't speak to that level. Why? Because 11th is 9th from the 3rd. It is also 10th from the 2nd. What you speak and how you speak.